Taong 1580, isa ito sa mga unang itinatag na pueblo ng mga Kastila. Pero dahil sa nag-aalab na pagmamahal ng mga Pilipinong katipunerong Pangasinense, muling nabawi at nakamit ang kalayaan ng bayan.
Well, to inform you, Santa Barbara originated to have been founded way back sometimes in 1741 when the Spanish Governor General sent an inspector to see the place which was originally called Barrio Tulong, which is originally a part of Calasiao then. So in 1741, after the inspection, Santa Barbara was formally declared as a pueblo, and the name is Santa Barbara di Tulong because the patron saint of the church which was constructed in Santa Barbara during that time, the patron saint is Saint Barbara. And it was called Santa Barbara di Tulong because the name of the river that bisect the municipality is called Tulong River. It's a combination of the saint and the river because the people of Santa Barbara are riverine people. However, after several years of calling it Santa Barbara di Tulong, it was already separated from the Calasiao town. It becomes a pueblo already. And during the time of Daniel Maramba, way back in sometimes in 1898, Daniel Maramba is the commanding officer of the Katipunan forces in Central Pangasinan, and he was the one who is instrument in freeing Santa Barbara from the Spanish colonizers.